project in biochemistry under the aegis of CSIR. Dr. Ismat Laiq of chemistry, Dr. Azra Musavi of economics, Dr. Nusrat of mathematics, Dr. Huma Haider of physics are engaged in major research projects assigned by the University Grants Commission. To maintain the well-being of our faculty, we started with yoga classes this winter. Not to mention, our students are already enjoying the benefit of gymnasiums in college as well as the hall. Founders Day celebration celebrates all-round excellence, where Female Education Association plays a significant role in acting a link between donors and the college. I would like to express my appreciation and thanks to Professor Zakia Athar Siddiqui, Secretary Female Education Association, and those old girls who have instituted awards for our girls. I congratulate all the awardees and wish them success. Last but not the least, I am thankful to Professor Rumana Siddiqui, Provost Abdullah Hall, for generating a keen interest among the students for outdoor activities and extending hospitality to our guests on today's occasion. I thank all of you for your kind support extended to me to pursue the vision of our founders. Thank you so much.
The applause is well-meaning, ma'am. We can indeed claim to have progressed with our founders' vision. That makes us feel proud and happy. No other time could have been more opportune for the release of a very significant collection of essays and articles penned by our guardian angel, the prophet of female education, Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. The book is entitled Mushahadat wa Tasawwurat as a memoir of Papa Mia. Professor Zakia Athar Siddiqui will represent the editor, Professor Athar Siddiqui, and will request the chief guest to do the honors. Mushahadat wa Tasawwurat, the memoir of Papa Mia, founder of Women's College, was first published in 1959 by the Female Education Association. The book was out of print for a long time. Professor Athar Siddiqui, former Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, has edited the book, and the National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language, New Delhi, has published it in 2015. Many congratulations to Professor Athar Siddiqui. Thank you very much, ma'am, and many congratulations to Professor Athar Siddiqui. It is a service to our society and especially to the Abdullah movement, if allowed to name it so. The college is indeed grateful to you for letting us join on this auspicious occasion. And now, we shall move towards our most awaited event, the certificate distribution ceremony. These various awards and certificates are given to the final year students of the college who are going to pass out as graduates. Their previous 2 years academic, co-curricular and extracurricular participation is appreciated. We are rewarding our students on different criteria in 3 segments. I request Professor Zeba Shiri to announce the first segment awards and certificates. It's my pleasure to invite Professor Naima Gulrez to give away the awards, and after all, it's her prompt. Meanwhile, the group song students are advised to get ready for their performance afterwards.
The first award in this segment is Ms. Tawheed Qayyum Memorial Award, which is given to a student of BA, BSc, BCom 3rd year for a consistently excellent record in co-curricular activities like drama, sports, debate, and music. The recipient is Shafaq Haider.
Thank you.
The second award is Dr. J.D. Dheer Award, given to a student of BSc 3rd year of Science and Life Sciences for securing highest marks in the first year and second year examination. And the award goes to Mehnaz Hanif. Next we have Dr. Ms. A. Thomas Memorial Award given to a student of BA third year with economics as her main subject for securing the highest marks in the aggregate of first year and second year, and it goes to Sana Abdi. Shor Fatima Memorial Award is for a student of BA third year English main for securing the highest marks in English, all optional papers of English in the aggregate of first year and second year. The recipient is Bushra Mifta. Ms. Sabiha Farooq Memorial Award is to a student of BA third year English main who has the highest marks in the aggregate of BA first year and second year, and the award goes to Sidra Suhaib. Naina Lal Kutwari Award is for a student of BA third year who has studied economics as one of her subjects, main or subsidiary, and secured the highest marks in it. The award goes to Paridhi Govil. Ms. Arya Khanam Award is for a deserving student of BA third year economics main with highest marks in economics in her BA first year and second year taken together. This year the award goes to Sana Abdi. The next award now is Ms. Razia Khanam Memorial Award, which is given to a deserving student of BA third year Urdu main for securing highest marks in Urdu. The recipient is Mahi Nigar. Dr. Abdul Shakur Award is to a BA third year history main student for securing highest marks in history. The award goes to Sara Shahriyar. Dr. Sajida Nabi Award is for a BA third year psychology main student for securing the highest marks in psychology. The award goes to Aman Jahan. Mrs. Majida Asad Award is for a deserving student of BA third year Hindi main for obtaining highest marks in Hindi in her BA first year and second year. Award goes to Sana Fatima. Ali Ahmad Saroor Award is given to a student of BA third year with geography main, arts or social science, securing highest marks in the aggregate of BA first year and second year. The recipient is Ulfatul Hashmi. Mrs. Wahid Hashmi Ali Memorial Award is for a student of BSc third year Home Science main who secures highest marks in the aggregate of BSc first year and second year. Award goes to Preeti Kumari. Mrs. Mumtaz Jahan Baji Begum Award is to a student of BSc third year Mathematics main with highest marks in mathematics in her BSc first year and second year. The award goes to Mehnaz Hanif. Mrs. Naseem Mansoor Award is given to a BA BSc second year student who has 70% attendance in Sunni theology and secures not less than 70% marks in Sunni theology in her BA and BSc first year. The award is shared by two students, Asifa Wakil and Labiba Sufyan. Mrs. Kaurunisa Fatima Siddiqui Award is given to a regular student of BA BSc BCom second year who has secured highest marks in Sunni theology in part 1 examination. It is again shared by Asifa Wakil and Labiba Sufyan. Dr. Anusur Rahman Siddiqui Award. This is given to a student of political science main for securing the highest marks in political science in her BA first year and second year examinations taken together. The award goes to Hiba Hassan. Dr. Mrs. Alia Zaidi Memorial Scholarships. There are two scholarships. The first is for a regular student of BSc Botany Main 3rd year who secures highest marks in BSc 2nd year examination. The recipient is Priyanka Singh. The other is to a student of BSc Botany Main 2nd year who secures highest marks in BSc 1st year examination. The recipient is Arisha Hashmi. B. Amma Akbar Sultan Memorial Award, a student of BA 1st year Arts Social Science with highest marks in class 12 examination. The award goes to Fauzia Mujib. Ishraf Usmani Memorial Science Award. This award is to a student of BSc 1st year with highest marks in class 12 examination. The award goes to Adila Majid. The last award in this segment is Begum Tara Rashid Sherwani Award. This award is for internal students of BA, BSc, BCom 1st year course in Women's College for securing the highest marks in class 12 examination in their respective faculties. In the Faculty of Arts, the award goes to Sophia Wahid. Faculty of Social Science, Seher Taj. Faculty of Science, Ramiza Salman. Faculty of Life Science, Pragya. Faculty of Commerce, Sakshi Maheshwari and Arushi Jain. Thank you, ma'am, for giving away the awards and congratulations to all the recipients.
For performing this duty so graciously. The group song students, please come. Let's witness why a philosopher said, because we cannot fly, God gave us the ability to sing. But music and singing, of course, make a close consolation. Ladies and gentlemen, we do not fly, but we do soar high in the world of ideas, imagination, profound thinking, and expression. Pen and paper become our wings. The Women's College magazine becomes our firmament. Our students and staff work hard on compilation of the college magazine every day. The duty of the overall in charge with an efficient team of teachers like Dr. Munira T, Dr. Shagufta Niaz, and Dr. Ali Imran Usmani for English, Hindi, and Urdu sections respectively. The students, of course, propelled the whole assignment towards accomplishment. Thus, to release the college magazine of 2015, I request Professor Ifat Ara to come on the stage and show to us the labor of their life. Congratulations to all the contributors and our staff members. Thank you very much. We have yet another book to be released entitled Adivasi Jeevan Ki Haqiqat Upanyas Ke Aine Mein, written by a young, aspiring faculty of our college, Dr. Shagufta Niaz, assistant professor in Hindi. We are very happy to be part of this occasion, Dr. Niaz. Congratulations. The Dalit issue has never been so important, and after the Hyderabad incident, we know it has caught attention of the whole world at large. So a very timely publication indeed. Thank you, everyone.
The first award of the ceremony is Masunda Hakimi Award, and it goes to a student of BA third year securing high. Given to a student of BCom third year securing highest marks in the aggregate of first and second year, and the recipient of this award is Nidhi Garg.